staying where?
I'll stay here.
But I have to stay in the middle, right? If you guys are doing my makeup, I have to stay in the middle, correct? Or am I wrong?
Correct.
Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct.
I think correct.
Okay, so what are you guys doing today?
Today we're gonna make up Mommy's face.
Make up my face?
Yes.
So do you know how to do makeup?
Yeah. You teach us.
I teach you now? I thought you were professionals.
Yes. Yeah. So first we're gonna do the lipstick.
How can the lipstick be the first thing, Mommy? How can?
Okay. Because we like lipstick.
Okay, you guys, guess who is gonna get glammed by Angel and Angelique? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who? Who's gonna get glammed today?
Mommy!
Mommy! Yeah! So you guys are gonna do what? What are you gonna do?
Crazy shade.
What are you gonna do to Mommy?
Make up Mommy's face.
Make up Mommy's face. So are you ready?
Yes. But
I'm
first,
just gonna...
before we do it, crazy shade.
Crazy shake. Oh my gosh, Mommy's boobies. Crazy shake. Crazy shake. I'm trying to hold my boobies. So what will be the first? Let me just move my...
Primer.
Let me move my hair off. So you guys...
Primer.
What's the first thing you're gonna do?
Primer.
Primer. Okay, so you know the name. What's the name?
Primer.
Primer. Say it again.
Primer.
I'm trying to learn your American English, Mommy. Primer.
Primer.
You say primer.
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 Primer. Primer.
Primer.
Primer. Okay.
I'm trying to learn from
We have
them.
to start now.
Okay.
Okay. This I put on my hand.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Okay.
And then now I'm gonna put it on my hand.
Oh, so everybody's gonna take turns?
Yeah.
Lord have mercy. I hope my acne medication is right around the corner because... Oh.
So, up here, up there. Okay.
What about here? All over Mommy's face.
Okay. I need more.
You need more? No, Mommy, no more. You can blend the one you've applied already. Ew. But how come everybody, you guys are using the back of your hand? You can't use your full hand to apply it. Oh my gosh, your hand feels so soft. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Feels like you guys are giving me a face massage. So soft.
Mouth. I need more.
Which one is fine? Oh. Oh, no more.
That's it.
Okay, what is that?
Primer.
That's not primer, Mom. You just applied primer. What is this?
I said primer.
No, that's not primer. We don't have primer and primer. It's one thing we have. What is this? Foundation. Foundation.
I'm gonna do mascara.
Okay, hold on. Okay, Licky. Okay.
Where should I put it?
All over Mommy's face.
And then it's my turn.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so first I put it right here.
Ow! My foundation is finished though. Oh.
There and I'm on
Oh. Oh.
Now I'm gonna do this. Oh, I already forgot. I just put it on here.
It's okay. We just gotta blend it. Where's the cover? So who's blending it?
Blend it. Oh, Angel. Then I'm gonna do it. When you see the opus, don't look for me at all.
Well, what song is that?
A sunny day.
A sunny day song. Sing it, let me hear you.
The sky, an open sky. You don't look for me at the mall. Don't look for me at all. But you don't see the open sky. Don't look for me at all. It goes like, don't look for me at the movies. Don't look for me at the mall. If you don't see the open sky, don't look for me at all. My turn. Yeah, it's your turn. Okay, so here. But okay, I'll put this off the side. I'll press up there. Bobby knows. Cut through the forest, 6 parade, such a truck, some holy brakes, red and green and brown and blue. They're really useful blue. All the really rolls away, down distances from far away, down the hills and round the ways.
Thomas and his friends. Right?
Okay, we're gonna do powder.
Okay.
Let's open it. First, I'm gonna do. Yessie, who's gonna do first? Already did a turn. No, Angel
No,
already.
remember, no fighting. You guys, you know you like to fight. You love to fight. No fighting. Everybody, you're gonna take turns and
So
do
Angel,
it, right?
Angel just went first. So I'm gonna go first again, and then you give it to me. Look, this is your side and this is my side.
Oh, so you're dividing my face. This is Licky's side and this is your side. Okay.
Okay, my side, give that to your side. And when you're done with your side, give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah. So we're all around Bobby's face. So this is the Bobby. So let's just split.
Licky, what are you doing?
I'm trying to put powder on your face.
Okay.
Yeah, when you're all done with your side, you do mine, and then I do my side.
Mommy, is that how you apply powder?
No.
Ha! While I do. So you're buffing it like this into my face.
Okay. There. You better not open your eyes.
Okay.
Like this. So I'm gonna hold it. I guess just gonna pat it. Does that look soft?
Mommy, but you're applying it just on one place.
Good.
What about the center of my face, my forehead, everywhere?
I didn't do it there.
More powder. Oh,
Yeah,
my
I do
powder
it
is
on your
finished
neck.
though. Oh,
I do it on your neck.
my neck. Oh, that's good. You know, some people apply powder and they forget their neck. So it's nice you guys are remembering to apply on my neck too. So everything will blend, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what we're doing this.
The brows? Okay.
Eyebrows.
Okay.
And then we get this one. And then we do this. Okay.
So Licky, we're doing brows. Let me open it for you.
I don't have.
So you guys will have to, so you don't fight. Because I'm not ready to separate quarrel. So where are we doing this one?
There.
No, don't open it more, Angel, so you don't break it.
Here.
Where?
Here.
Oh! On my brows?
Yeah. I can put it all the way. I'm not gonna put it on your brows. I'm gonna put it outside your brows on the side. I'm gonna put it on the side too, so you look like an old man. Oh, sorry. I put it on this side. Now you look like old man. Side. Now you're gonna look like old man.
Mommy, I thought you're doing makeup for Mommy, so Mommy would look beautiful. How come you're saying Mommy will look like an old man? You remember when I did your own makeup? It was so cute, right?
Yeah.
Now you're not doing mine. I hope you guys are going to really do a very beautiful makeup for Mommy.
I missed the spot. So that's it for me. That's it for me. Mr. Eyeshadow. Okay.
You know you need the brushes. No, Licky, not that one.
Which
the
one?
small brushes.
Okay, I'm gonna use.
Yes.
Now let's.
Okay, let me hold it for you guys.
I'm gonna lose.
So, but what kind of palette are you using? You didn't tell them what you're using.
I'm gonna use purple. I'm gonna put a rainbow.
Rainbow colors.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Chimo.
There, that's blue, purple, green. What? So I'm gonna use the other one because I'm gonna use orange. I can't decide yet. No. It is beautiful. There. You. Okay. I'm gonna use this color. I did 3 colors, now that's it. For me. Mom, you're gonna see this, it's gonna be yellow. good. Are we gonna have school?
Today is Sunday, right? So tomorrow is what?
School.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, how can...
Oh. Are you guys using the whole colors in the world on my eyes?
Yeah.
Oh.
The whole colors in the world. I'm gonna make...
Oh, come now, this camera at the far. Okay.
Okay, I'll make a house. I can make a house too.
You're making a house on my eyes?
I can make the letter A. Okay, what's this for?
It's for the eyes, Mommy. Well, it's for here.
Mommy?
But I don't trust you with my eyes. You can
This
poke
one?
my eye.
This one?
So let's just leave mascara, Mommy, because you might end up poking my eyes.
Look.
I don't want to get to the emergency room tonight. Okay, but we're going to do contour. Somebody should get the contour.
Contour?
The contour powder. No, the contour. That one there with the white brush. Okay. You know where you're supposed to put that?
What?
You know where you're supposed to put that?
Where? On the face.
Oh, not on the face. On Mommy's cheeks. Here.
Okay.
You gotta do it like this. On Mommy's cheeks.
Okay, give it.
Hey, Mommy, but move from the chair so you don't put the color on the chair.
I can use white. First?
No, not the white, Mommy. The
Why?
black. The dark ones. The brown. Careful, Licky. Ew! Not like that, Mommy.
Like this. Okay.
No, like this. Like this.
Okay. Yeah. I need more.
No, no more.
Why you close it?
Because you guys have enough on the brush. You just need to blend it. But not all over my face, Mommy. Oh. Oh my gosh. Out of my mouth here. Oh, Chimo. Oh.
I gotta open
What
it.
is that?
Primer.
Everything is primer for you, Angelique.
Primer.
What is that?
It's something different. I already do it.
You know where to apply it? That's called what? Blush. Say blush.
Blush.
And you're supposed to apply it on the cheeks.
I already
You know
did
where's the
that.
cheeks?
Here.
No, here. The cheeks.
Over
Here.
here. We do great job because you look beautiful.
I
like
do.
rainbow.
Thank you. So I'm Rainbow Jack.
Yeah, you rainbow. I can call you name. I'm gonna call you name Rainbow Mommy.
Rainbow Mommy. Okay. Thank you.
I like.
Yes, you know, Mommy, I love highlights. So highlights.
I can open it.
Let me open it. Let me open it, Licky, so you don't spoil it.
I'm gonna use it this one.
No, with the highlight brush. So you know where you're gonna put that? On Mommy, on my upper cheek here. See here. You're gonna press it there.
When you smile. No.
No, Licky, like this.
Oh. It's the live sparkle.
Oh. Okay.
That's it.
Okay, so it's time for the grand product you guys love, right? It's time for what?
Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Yay! Yay, yay, yay. Okay. What I
Careful,
gonna do?
careful. Okay, that's it.
What am I gonna do? You do it on the top, I do it on the down. A little bit on the down. That don't look good. You can't clean it off with white. Don't do this. Now I need a little bit more. I don't put on this side. There. There.
That's it. It's good.
Yeah.
So it's time for me to see. Is it time?
No. Waiter. No.
Okay.
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 Later.
I I need the mirror.
Waka! You want to make you like Beauty. You're Beauty. 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 That is Beauty. It's Beauty. Yeah, Beauty. Beauty.
That highlight is popping though. I like the high. Who did this highlight here? This one here. That is such a nice job. Who did the eyes here? That is beautiful. Because at least the pink goes with the lips. This is it?
Yeah, we like the rainbow.
You like the rainbow?
Yeah.
At least they did what they liked.
Lipstick.
Angelique, is there more lipstick?
Yeah. Okay. Take this. You know what? I really love lipstick. More color! Yeah! More color of this!
So if mommy come to your school looking like this, you're gonna be proud?
Yeah.
If I come to your school like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to rate the makeup.
So you're telling Beauties to rate the makeup?
Yeah.
Okay, so they should rate it by what? 10?
Yeah.
They should let you guys know what you scored.
Yeah.
In the comment section.
Yeah.
Okay, so they said you guys please rate the makeup. How did they perform? 1 to 10. How did they perform, right?
10.
So Angelique, you said 10. So it's 10 over 10.
I said 1.
Oh, 1%.
I said 100.
100. Okay. So you guys, please help me rate this makeup right here because I cannot. Like, I don't even have strength. I have all colors of rainbow all over my face. What colors do I have on my eyes?
You have purple, blue, red. I have blue, blue, orange. There's more kinds. You have blue. You have purple, blue, orange, green, and yellow, and red, orange.
And my lips is what?
And yellow. Pink.
What is on my lips?
Pink. Yeah, look at the wall.
What is on my lip?
Pink.
Pink.
I'm gonna call you Rainbow.
Okay, they said they're Angelique said she's gonna call me Charlie. Angel says she's gonna call me Rainbow. Okay, so as you all can see, my whole name, they changed my name today. So no problem at all. Well, Angel and Licky, thank you so much for make-upping mommy today because I don't know what else to say. You guys, you've done your best, right?
Yeah.
So this is your best here.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that is it though. Angel and Licky, they've been saying they want to do my makeup. They want, mommy, when are we going to do your makeup? So finally, at least let me rest because now they've done the makeup. At least I know they are not going to bother me again to do my makeup. So, you guys, let me know what you think about this right here. Because this right here for me won the gold medal. This is the best makeup I've seen on YouTube so far. This is the best makeup. So you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and till our next one, we'll see you all very, very soon.
Bye.
Bye.